so long that it's getting harder to breathe. I used to think that you could never do wrong, but how could I be so naive? I don't wanna do all the running around, don't wanna be tied down anymore, 'cause all our problems are beginning to mount, and I found that loving you is a chore. And I've got nothing left to say to you. I think that this decision's long overdue, 'cause I've been falling far behind, and now I realize it's about time, yeah, it's about time I moved on across the finish line. It's about time, yeah, it's about time I moved on across the finish line. It's about time, yeah, it's about time I moved on across the finish line. It's about time, yeah, it's about time I moved on across the finish line. It's about time, yeah, it's about time I moved on and crossed the finish line.
Another wonderful track there by Vanessa Murray.
Thank you very much.
Your songs are these about relationships or?
Not all of them. That one was based on a conversation that I had with a friend about a relationship that they were in, and they kind of realised that both of them wanted different things.
I see. So
And even though they spent so long together, they kind of think that it's best to be apart because they both want different things. And
I see. So it's not necessarily about your own relationships.
no, it's
yeah.
based off a conversation, but
It's better if you don't write too much about your own relationships, isn't it?
yeah, that's true. That is true.
You can get a little bit bad with that one, can't you?
Yeah.
I mean, not going to tell.
I know exactly.
I do, she's doing alright though.
She is doing really alright. Good songs. I mean, I just don't want to be the kind of person who always writes about
Yeah, it's
relationships and
a bit sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not worse than a little girl with a guitar crying on the stage while the fella who's just left her and all that.
Yeah, exactly. No, it is sad. No.
At least yours are quite happy though. The first one you played was a happy song, wasn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
So at least
it's about appreciating love.
Yes,
that one.
at least it's a positive message. Right,
Yes,
so
it's
we're
very
gonna have
true.
a little bit of a detune here, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
And Vanessa assures me that this is going to take a couple of minutes, so
Hopefully not.
I'm going to throw a
Play
little.
a song just in case.
I'm going to play a little tune for you by Oasis. Talk Tonight. Just tell me what you're.
Sitting on my own, chewing on a bone, 1,000,000,000 miles from home, when something hit me somewhere right between the eyes. Sleeping on a plane, you know you can't complain. You took your last chance once again. I landed stranded, hardly even knew your name. I wanna talk tonight. be back another day. I wanna talk tonight until the morning light about how you saved my life. I wanna talk tonight about how you saved my life, about how you saved my life, about how you saved my life, about how you saved my life.
Righty, we're back in the room with Vanessa Murray, and she's going to play her final song for us tonight. What is it, Vanessa?
Yes, this is track 5 of my EP, It's About Time, and it's called Worlds Apart.
Crack on.
I know what it is I have to do. Yes, I know that it's for the better. It's just hard to come to terms with. You are the paper, and I am the glue, trying to hold us together. I know that we'll never stick, 'cause the truth is that we've outgrown each other, and I don't think that we will recover from the distance that's growing. There's no way of controlling our fate, 'cause you and me will always be two people with thousands of miles in between where we are and where we want to be. You and me need to set ourselves free, and I'm sorry, but I think that it's clear to see we've gone too far. We are worlds apart. We are worlds apart. You conscious, but you cannot see the effect that you're having on me. I just wish you would meet me halfway. You're so hard to handle, so hard to please, and I know that you will disagree. Yes, I know exactly what you will say. You will tell me the fault's my own, when it's you with the heart that's made of stone. You can't seem to realize that it takes two. I'm tired of trying where we are, where we want to be. You and me need to set ourselves free, and I'm sorry, but I think that it's clear to see we've gone too far. We are worlds apart. We are worlds apart.
It's another lovely, lovely song.
Thank you.
I might get your EP and I'll play before I go to bed or something.
I feel a bit emotional.
Yeah, I feel a bit emotional, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
It's very nice, very
I'll
nice.
send over a copy.
Yes, defo. Yeah, I'll get in for a review as well.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
Yeah, I try not to review them myself and give them to somebody else to do that because I don't like to get
Yeah,
too involved,
personal.
too personal, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, absolutely lovely. Have
you
you
very
ever thought about maybe working with a sort of a DJ? Not obviously working on stage and smashing
Yeah,
it, but
do you mean like putting like a top line over?
yeah,
I'd love to.
you know, so just not heavy, just sort of like, because it reminds me a little bit of Dido's music.
Yes.
You know, and I like Dido,
love
like
Dido.
I love Faithless and all that, but you know, if you were to just record your music and then just send them just the
Send
vocal
stems.
samples
Yeah.
and the guitar samples separately, maybe. I don't know, just ideas, but I think that would work
like
nice.
remix it or something. That would be interesting to see what it turns.
Yeah,
Something
would,
like
yeah.
that turns
That's
out.
what I'm saying, yeah. So if there's anybody out there who fancies remixing it, then contact with Vanessa.
Thank you.
Is there anything you'd like to say to your listeners before you get off, Vanessa?
Just thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much, Doug, for having me on.
Oh, you are more than welcome. Right, guys, I'm going to say goodbye to Vanessa, and while I do that, I'm going to throw a bit of news at you, and we'll be back very shortly. We still have loads of brilliant music. A couple more David Bowie tributes. We have Go Fiasco, She Beat, The Havocs, and Gemstone Heist, all in the pipeline. Stay with us.
The head of the UN's nuclear watchdog, the IAEA, is travelling to Iran to discuss the continued monitoring of the country's nuclear activities after the lifting of sanctions. Iran's international isolation ended last night after inspectors concluded the government in Tehran had taken steps to limit its nuclear program. Barbara Plett-Usher reports from Washington.
As soon as the announcement was made, Iran received access to tens of billions of dollars of frozen assets. Crucially, the Europeans lifted their oil embargo and financial sanctions, and the Americans suspended restrictions that prevent non-US companies from dealing with Iran, although for the most part the limits on US businesses stay in place. Iran's President Hassan Rouhani called the lifting of the sanctions